Hello everyone, we are from Aplikasi Pengajuan Usulan MBKM, and today we will explain about our project. But before we get into the main topic, let me introduce our team. For the first, there is Muhammad Abdi Nobli Rosyadi as implementation, and the second, there is Nicholas Junawinata as analysis, and the third is there is Angelina Maria Angormase as design, and the fourth is there is Jaki Adiputra as implementation, and the fifth there is Noviolas Malhuta Barat as design, and the last there is Jainal Asiboya as testing. General description of the software. The MBKM proposal submission application is a digital platform designed to streamline the submission and management of proposal for the Merdeka Belajar Kampus Merdeka program. It features an easy-to-use submission form and a tracking system that allows users to monitor the status of their submission. This application addresses issues such as the time-consuming manual submission process and the lack of a centralized platform, which often leads to confusion among stakeholders. And the scope is the system provides account registration and login functionality for students, faculty, and administrator. And the second is the system manages user data with role-based access control. The system enables students to submit MBKM program application including internship, independent studies, and student exchange. The system allows users to upload and manage relevant documents such as proposal, final report, and certificate. The system sends notification and provides real-time tracking of submission status. Purpose is to provide a centralized platform for efficient MBKM proposal submission and tracking, and to enhance transparency and communication with real-time update and document management.
Okay, I will explain about app features. F001, register and login. Easy registration, secure login, and quick password reset. F002, interactive dashboard. Access all features in one compact view. F003, manage users. Add new users and set access right easily. F004, submission of the formula. Submit documents with dynamic forms and upload files. F005, quick approvals, automated notification for form and document approvals. F006, final document collection, upload and validate final document in seconds.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this session, I will explain about demo aplikasi MBKM. In this case, we are logging as a mahasiswa role. So this is our application. So there is two button in here. Is called masuk and daftar. If we click in daftar, it will direct you to register form. So this is the register form UI, and if you click in the masuk button, they will redirect you to login website. So in this case, I will login, use my account. So this is our dashboard application. So this here in here we have some menu, dashboard, pengajuan MBKM, and berkas akhir. If we click in dashboard, they will be show you about your biodata. And if we click pengajuan MBKM, they will be direct you to form pengajuan MBKM. So you can fill this form if you want to apply your MBKM project. If you finish with your form, they will be show you about your data that you fill before. So this is have some action button, is delete and update. If you change your mind to want to delete your form before, you can click delete and edit if you want. And the last feature is berkas akhir. After you finish your form, you can upload some file requirement for your MBKM project. So you can click this in here, upload, choose your file and upload that. And the last thing, we have edit profile. So if you click in this edit profile, they will be show you form that you can change your name or add your address or change your Gmail.
Okay, I will explain the feature for lecturer in our MBKM application. The first page is the login system. On this page, lecturer don't need to create an account because the account was made by the admin. In the login system, we can insert our username and password. We can also reset our password from the forgot password feature that will be sent to email. After a successful login, lecturer will be directed to the next page. Okay, on the next page, we have the MBKM program submission page. This feature allows lecturer to review or make decision on MBKM submission that were made by student. After the MBKM submission was approved, we will be directed to the final document approval page. In this page, lecturer review final report and documentation that was submitted by students who have completed their MBKM program. Okay, that's all for the explanation about lecturer feature. Thank you.
So I'm here gonna explain the integration of the project-based learning, or you can say PBL, with academic course in this semester. So there's a few academic course that we take in this semester that's what our application needed. So the first one is Introduction to Software Engineering, that contains notice of software engineering, software development activity, software development management, and documentation standard. And the second one is Algorithm and Programming, that's including on computational thinking training, basic algorithm, and programming environment with variable, data types, operator, input, output, branching, looping, array, and matrix. And this third one is software requirement analysis and specification, that support with analysis and requirement engineering, understanding stakeholder, requirement engineering activity, business analyst role, different types of requirement, vision and scope, and the last one is requirement elicitation. And the fourth one is the web-based programming. So basic web concept with client-side programming and site programming, implementation of client-side programming, implementation of server-side programming, and exploration of responsive web and dynamic web according to needs. And the last one is introduction to database. So in this, the last one is we are expect to be make a relational database concept. Data modeling include entity relational and chain entity relational, SQL, and the use of DBMS with the last one is relational schema. So the last one I'm gonna take to the journal.
The MBKM Independent Learning Independent Campus proposal submission application is designed to simplify the process of submitting and tracking the status of proposal in the program. By replacing the time-consuming manual system, this application provides convenience for students and the campus. In addition, this application unites all stakeholders is one centralized platform, increasing efficiency and transparency in proposal management.
This poster explains an application called Pengajuan Usulan MBKM Submission Application for the Independent Learning Campus program. It is designed to simplify the process of submitting and managing proposal for the Merdeka Belajar Campus Merdeka program. The application offers features such as AC registration and interactive dashboard to monitor data, user management, digital for submission, automatic approval notification, and final document. Its goal is the efficiency and transparency in managing proposal, making the process faster and more integrated for students. lecturers, and stakeholders.